things didn't really go to plan. Obviously, there's lots of reasons. I could. Hey! This is serious, bro. Hey, come on. We'll do that again. Yeah, we'll do that again.
Van der Brugge en Matondo. Geweldige goal! 0-1 voor Cercle Brugge. Rabbi Matondo.
C'est par contre Matondo, c'est goal! C'est 3 pour le Cercle de Bruges. Rabbi Matondo, le Gallois.
Joined a great club in Schalke. It was exciting, but things didn't really go to plan. A lot of factors. Obviously, it was a difficult time for the club. Difficult time for me. I wasn't really, playing consistently, and, picked up some little injuries. And when I played, it wasn't like what I could have given, I guess. And yeah, like I said, I never really found my feet, let's say, in a starting 11 regularly to be able to showcase what I can do. So I guess it was difficult in that way, yeah. I had the opportunity, a chance to go to Stoke on loan. It didn't go quite to plan. The motivation of, a lot of things not going to plan in terms of, the Stoke loan and little injuries, and then missing out on the Euros. And, I've always believed from a young age, if I play consistently, that I can do my thing on a pitch. So obviously, I thank Cercle a lot for showing a belief in me. They pushed me, they got me on the pitch. If you do that with me, I'll produce for you. So I feel like this is my first proper season playing consistently, and showing if I can play consistently and stay fit and keep myself out of trouble or whatever, then of course I feel like I can provide, yeah. My teammates and the coaching staff, they give me the freedom on the pitch to go and express myself going forward. So obviously I've contributed with a few goals this season, some nice ones, and it's fun. It's fun when your teammates know what your strengths are, and with me, like picking up the ball, dribbling or running in behind, and your teammates find you.
So Rob is a player that we know already for a while. We know him within our organization, even from his time in Man City, just before being transferred to Schalke. So it's a player that we have been following for a long time. We were looking for someone like him that could play in both sides and also as a striker if needed, and especially someone with his pace. So that's probably why we were leaning towards him, and we were looking for a profile like him. He's electric on the pitch. He's becoming, a constant threat to everyone. I think he's one of the most exciting talents on the Pro League, and I think, he brings a quality that probably we don't have in the team. And he's also, we say here in Belgium that he's kind of the mayonnaise, because he's bringing together the whole group.
What I'm doing here at Cercle, I'd love to be doing that for my country as well. For everyone that's close to me, everyone knows around me my love for Wales, and for the future, for now, for as soon as possible, whenever. Wales is always in my mind, and obviously, would love to be involved, and would like to push myself to do what I'm doing at club for international, yeah. And you always want to represent your country and do what you can for them, but I feel like, I'm in a better situation now, in a better, better form, confidence, and, the feeling of, scoring and, playing with confidence and freedom. I was there once when we qualified for the Euros, obviously the second time round, and yeah, that was an unbelievable feeling. The vibes after that was top notch, and then if we can implement that this March, and obviously if I'm involved anywhere near the squad, then that'd be perfect. And I think I'll have the same feeling being there and also being out of there in terms of celebrating like a fan, or celebrating as a player and a fan. So yeah, it'd be great. I'm just gonna focus, and then hopefully whatever happens will happen for the best. All I can do is just hopefully keep producing on the pitch, and yeah.